Assalamu alaikum 3 class. As you know, we are doing lesson number 2, the stone soup. And now in your previous lecture we did the reading of both pages. Now we will solve the exercise page number 14. The very first question, question number A, you can see, tick the correct answer. Option 1, what did the old man put first in the pot? So think, pepper, stone, onion, mushroom. The answer is stone. So the circle it, mushroom, a stone. The next is, who helped the old man to make the soup? Animals, villagers, fish, birds. Okay, who helped? Villagers. Option B is correct. Next is, where did the old man go to bring the firewood? Village, shop, hill, jungle. Where? Jungle. Next is, the child requested the old man to share the soup, to cut firewood, to collect berries, to show his hut, to share the soup. Option A is correct. Now students, come to the question number B. Underline the correct words in each sentence. There are 4 sentences given. Now we will check which words is correct. The old man went to the jungle to collect some firewood or make soup. To collect some firewood. Now we will underline this. This is the correct word. The next is, the old man told the villagers to bring something for the soup or go away. I think the answer is bring something for the soup. We will also circle that. The next is, the old man poured the soup into cups or coconut shells. I think the answer is coconut shells. Now we will circle it. Option 4. He put a gleaming dull black stone into the boiling water. Dull or gleaming? The question answer is gleaming. Now question number C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where did the old man live? Students, you can easily answer this question. You know, old man live in a hut near a hill. Question 2. What did the old man wish to have one day? One day he wanted to have some soup. Next is, which things were added to the water to make the soup? There are many things were added in the soup to make soup. You can see on page number 13 in this paragraph. Here there are many things, so students, you can easily do this question. Now come to the question again. Drip drop donates the sounds of water. Find one more sound phrase and explain what it means. You know, there is also one sound, but there is not explained. There is sound of water, drip drop, drip drop. Now they are asking to find one more sound phrase and explain what it means. There is also one sound phrase, you can check here. Chip chop, and I have told you it means that it is a sound of cut. Clear? It is a sound of cutting of something. Now come to the question number D. Think and answer. Circle the words which describe the old man. Students, you can easily do this question by yourself. Just circle those words which you find that it will describe the old man. Clear? Now question number 2. How can we say that the old man was friendly? You know students, how old man shared the soup with the villagers. So old man was really friendly because he let the villagers come to add their things in soup. He shared his soup with all of them in coconut shells. Clear? In this way we can say that old man was friendly. Now come to the page number 15. The very first vocabulary, there is vocabulary. Question number E. Write the opposites of the words given below. Large, all, reply, start, agree. Students, we will write here opposites of these words, but not just these words. Students, it is a task for you. You will also take out some more opposite words from your story. Clear? Large, small. Here we will write small. Old, young. Reply, deny. start, end. Clear? Agree, disagree. Clear, students? In this way you will take some more words from the poem and take out opposite words from the story. Clear? Question number F. Pictures of some food items are given below. Match the food item with the method used to cook it. You know how we make cake? For making cake we have to bake the cake. Now we will match this. Bake. Okay, tell me. To cook this bread, what we have to do? We have to roast it. हमें इसे पकाना पड़ता है. And to make noodles, we have to steam it. एंड राइस जो वाइट कलर के होते हैं उसे हम क्या करते हैं? आपने अक्सर देखा होगा मदर को. वी हैव टू बॉयल, हमें इसे बॉयल करना पड़ता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट. डिक्शनरी वर्क. स्टूडेंट्स, a dictionary contains words in the ABC order. You know, ABC till Z. It is a order. It is order. This is called the alphabetical order. Clear? This is called the alphabetical order. Students, question number G. Arrange these words from the lesson in the alphabetical order. Students, you know, to do this alphabetical order, we have to check the sequence of the letters. Which letter will come first, and so we will number it. Clear? But students, remember that if the first letter of any two words are the same, you must arrange those words according to the second letters. If the second letters are the same, you must arrange them according to the third letters, and so on. Clear? So you will do this activity by yourself. Thank you.